Welcome to this episode of Labor of Love. Today we are with the Dig Up crew. Let's get started. Today, equipment operator Ryan is responding to a leak in the street outside a resident's home. What exactly are we doing here?
We have a service line leak.
Okay.
We got to dig down to the main and find the service in the corp.
Okay.
And
In the what?
the corp, it's called.
In the corp.
Yep.
Technical jargon aside, the leak's underground and it's the team's job to find it. You're up there just operating whatever this is. What is this?
Backhoe.
A backhoe? Do
Yes.
you work with this every day?
Yes.
You're just over there doing like a video game, like
Yep.
beep, 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 beep. The crew is working their way through layers of asphalt and dirt to reach the line that runs from the main in the street to the house. Once the leak is located, it becomes a team effort. A new line is threaded. Ryan pulls it up. The damaged section comes out. He cut it! He cut it! And everything gets hooked back up to the new line. Then I finally get my moment to contribute. Nope, that's as much as I can do it. Yeah, I did that. I'm helping. Getting to know Ryan a bit more, he's been at the city for 2 years and brings a ton of experience.
This is the best job I've had. It's the core group of people that you work with too. Makes a difference too.
Yeah. I asked Ryan what his message would be to someone thinking about a career with Plano Public Works.
I would definitely come to work here.
You think you're gonna retire here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've actually already retired from one job and
Couldn't sit still?
can sit still. I'm too young to be sitting home.
Thanks for watching this episode of Labor of Love. Stay tuned. We'll catch you next time. Bye.